Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to hide your friends' Instagram notification content from showing up on your phone's lock screen. If you want to keep your Instagram notifications private, especially those from friends, you're in the right place. Let's get started and make your lock screen a little more secure. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Next, look for Instagram in your apps list. You can usually find it quickly by scrolling or using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you spot Instagram, tap on it to open up the app's settings. Now, you'll see several options related to Instagram. Tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how and when you get notified by Instagram. Inside the Notifications menu, find the option labeled Friends on Instagram under the Instagram section. This is where you can control notifications specifically related to your friends' activities, like direct messages, tags, and other updates. Tap on Friends on Instagram. Here, you'll see a setting called Lock Screen. This setting controls what shows up when your phone is locked. Tap on Lock Screen, and you'll be given a few different choices. To keep your friends' Instagram notifications private, select Hide Content. With this option, you'll still get notified, but the actual content, like message previews or who tagged you, won't be visible on your lock screen. Instead, you'll see a simple notification that keeps your information safe from prying eyes. And that's it. You've just taken a big step towards protecting your privacy. Now, whenever you receive Instagram notifications from friends, the details will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips for keeping your digital life secure.